number one of the day. Let's go get some more. Another pretty good one right here. All right. Number two. He's not a bad size at all. Get some more of these puppies right here. He hit it real close to the bank. They all seem to be coming out of that grass and hitting it. Let's go get some more. Not too bad. Let's go get some more. Okay, there's fish number 4 or 5. Here's some more. I don't. Oh my God! All right, another one for today. We can go catch some more of these little dudes. Rip Garrett. I'm gonna miss you, buddy.